Java character set. A character set in Java is a set of alphabets, letters, and some special characters that are valid in Java programming language. The first character set used in the computer system was ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is limited to represent only American English. ASCII consists of uppercase and lowercase Latin alphabets, numerals, punctuation, a set of control codes, and a few miscellaneous symbols.
Unicode. Unicode defines a standardized 16-bit character coding system. It currently supports more than 34,000 defined characters derived from 24 languages from America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Asia, including India. When the program source code file encoding does not support Unicode in Java, we can define Unicode characters as escape sequences by using the notation UXXXX, where XXXX specifies the character's 16-bit representation in hexadecimal. Java character set. Java language uses the character sets as the building block to form the basic elements such as identifiers, variables, array, etc. in the program. These are as follows: letters, both lowercase a, b, c, d, e, etc., and uppercase a, b, c, d, e, etc. Letters, digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, special symbols, underscore, comma, dash, /, percent, caret, dollar, hashtag, comma, symbol, dot symbol, a colon, symbol, semicolon, single quote, double quote, backslash.